Question number 3. Who is running SCoPEd? SCoPEd has been run by a collaboration of 3 different membership bodies for counsellors and psychotherapists. The biggest one in the collaboration is actually the biggest one of all 11, and that is the BACP, the British Association for Counsellors and Psychotherapists. They have just under 50,000 members. In the triad of membership bodies, BACP are joined by the United Kingdom Council for Psychotherapy, the UKCP, and they have just over 10,000 members. Then the smallest membership body in this collaboration is the British Psychoanalytic Council, or the BPC for short, which has about 1,500 members. Then, within the project, we have several research teams. We have the technical group and an expert reference group, or ERG. These groups are made up of practitioners that belong to those 3 bodies. And if you're interested, have a look at the methodologies document, which was updated in July. And on page 10 in the first appendix, you will find a list of the practitioners who are on those teams. But the SCoPEd team also has an independent chair and an independent data analyst. Make sure that you check out the methodologies document because there's a lot of information in there about who is running it and how it's being run.